Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Denon CEOL RCD-N8 amplifier and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this amplifier not connecting with your Bluetooth devices or not syncing with your devices or connecting to wireless or anything like that, or if you're having any issues with it not responding and not working in any way, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. You're going to need to set everything up again because it will be wiped to the way it was when it came out of the box. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling it or buying a used one, or for whatever reason you just want to get a totally fresh start with everything wiped off of it, we can go ahead and do that quite simply. All we need to do is we're going to turn it off and we're going to go ahead and unplug it. And then with it unplugged, we're going to come over here and find the volume up button and the cursor, this circle down. We're going to use the arrow, the down arrow. So we're going to find the volume up and then the down arrow here. Press and hold them simultaneously. And while those two are being held simultaneously, go ahead and plug the speaker back in. And you'll just continue to hold it until the little indicator light showing that it's on or on standby lights up, at which point you can let go and it will reset into its factory default settings.